Welcome back to Daytime Live. And yes, we are still buzzing. So, Daniel Craig may command 8-figure Hollywood paychecks, including a reported $25 million to reprise the role of James Bond in the upcoming No Time to Die, and a reported $100 million to appear in the sequels to 2019's Knives Out. But the 53-year-old actor isn't planning on sharing much of it with his children.
Now, in the most recent issue of Candy's magazine, Craig detailed his philosophy on inheritance, saying he doesn't plan to have much money left to give to his children by the time he dies. Now, Craig says that he finds it distasteful to leave heirs massive amounts of money.
So Craig has 2 children. He has a 29-year-old daughter and a 2-year-old daughter. His wife, actress Rachel Weisz, also has a teenage son. He says, and I quote, that my philosophy is to get rid of it or give it away before you go. Tough done.
Well, here what happened. Before we discuss it, you said you actually read the entire, not just this quote.
Yes.
Is it been, is how it's being broadcast, taken out of context?
I want to say you guys stay bad. You know, the media, the clickbait people, want to stay bad. Because what it looks like is that Daniel Craig is saying,
we're not going to
pay them nothing.
Yeah.
And them not deserve nothing. I'm not give them nothing.
What is he saying?
He's actually saying that he finds it distasteful to leave large sums of money to people coming when you can live your life with your people, with your family, with your loved ones.
You're putting it aside instead of using it.
Yeah, so he's saying, like, let me just show some party.
100 million. So 25 million US or 25 million pound?
Pounds.
Pound?
Pound.
Daniel!
Come spend it with that. And he was in Jamaica. We never did know this.
Who the alliance then with
we
Daniel?
never find him. Huh?
Daniel never know me. I'm sure that me shake and I bed me go. I mean, I bed me go, my general. You know, if make your daughter them stay over there, so my general.
But don't you think, though, he says that there was this guy, he's a philosopher, and the philosopher believes, and you know what? Solomon said it as well.
Right.
You and I were talking about this before.
Right.
King Solomon said that you've used your life, you've been wise, you've done all this stuff, and then you give your money to your children, and they're idiots. So they ruin your whole legacy and everything. So I think, I don't know, I still believe that he did say he would give them some.
Guess what I believe?
Little bit.
I believe to take away the temptation.
From them?
From the kids.
So they don't kill him?
No, me believe that. So what I'm saying, Daniel, the 25 million can do you. All right, keep the 100 million.
Okay.
Give me 25.
Right. Just help him out.
I'm going to take with that temptation. I don't want your kids have to face with these decisions.
Yeah, and at least you know that he's giving it to a worthy person.
And then for you now, I give you a thing.
How much is that thing?
How much is that thing?
Yeah.
No, I'm going to ask if
no. How much is the thing first?
No. Ask me how much bottles of thing.
See?
How much bottles of thing you want?
I'm going to give me one case of thing. All time 25 million.
A case of thing you want? The big bottle or the small bottle?
We take the small bottle, so it's traveler size.
The
so
traveler.
No worry.
I guess so. Maybe buy 2 cases of thing. 2 cases of thing. You don't have to worry yourself.
2 cases of thing.
I once heard one of our Virgin run a joke one day, say, if you get rich, you will keep one big party for all them family and friends. And when everybody walk in, you give them an ice cement and a pin. So say why? Him say if you notice anytime people have money and them not give a bad nothing, you know say, him not even give me a pin or a ice cement. So just give everybody a pin and an ice cement.
So what you gonna say now?
Yes, you just go and hold your beer minimum.
I like that. So then what you have to say?
Yeah.
But then we are gonna say, him only give me a ice cement.
Yeah.
So we're Jamaicans, we love to complain.
Yeah, that's all that thing. So
Hongo, true.
Bobby Brown's heard the rumors about the possible remake in the words of Whitney Houston's Bodyguard, and he's not feeling it at all. Now, a news outlet asked Bobby if he thinks remaking such a classic is a bad move. Bobby didn't hesitate, saying, yeah, without a second thought.
I'm sorry, Dufton, what did he say?
Yeah.
Just to be clear. So Tony-nominated playwright Matthew Lopez has reportedly been tapped to write a reimagining of the iconic 1992 romantic drama starring Whitney and Kevin Costner. And much like Bobby, many fans' reaction to the news was essentially, that's a no for me, dog. Was that good? Hello? Hello?
Like, I'm not a fan of remaking classics. And if you're going to do it, it is going to have to do a really good job. Now, in my opinion, Kevin Costner isn't the greatest actor. But the fact of the matter is that movie is kind of iconic.
I mean, I don't support you on a Kevin Costner thing, because when I was little bit, it did art, just as I said.
No, Kevin Costner being hot to you and being a good
when
actor.
I was 3. But okay, it was the same thing.
Yeah. But remember, he had his string of movies. Yeah. As he had Waterworld.
The baseball thing. I didn't understand Waterworld. I was too young. I was like, what's happening? I don't get it.
You understand it now, though?
And then
so you understand it now, right?
I haven't watched it. I was disappointed.
You need to watch Waterworld to understand it.
Mad Max is the only thing I watch like that.
Mad Max, Waterworld. But is it a good idea? I don't think...
It is not a good idea.
Whitney can't be replaced.
It's not a good idea.
It's like Fast and the Furious not replacing Paul Walker.
Well, it's not like that. But I get, because you're a guy, it's kind of like that. But Whitney Houston was the kind of star in her time that we have a lot of stars now.
Was she a great actress, though?
Well, that's for another conversation.
Right.
We don't have any kind of stars like that. Right. We have iconic stars coming, and Beyonce's a legend and all these persons. Right. But Whitney started something. It's like Whitney and Michael, you can't really replace them. So I feel like whoever you cast is going to be a disappointment. Yeah. Let's take a pause. Do you remember Lion King?
Well, right? Like 10 seconds.
And then the Lion King remake. How appalling was the Lion King?
Oh, speaking of Lion King, big up King Crickety.
Hey.
By your earth strong. I mean, Lion for roar. Arr.
Arr.
Whoa,
Arr.
whoa, that's the Simba right
Craig,
here.
Who is that?
This is a cub.
Craig, what happened?
This
so
is a
guys,
cub.
I want you guys to just head over to our IG page, head over to our Facebook page, head over to craigie.tok, something. You'll find him.
Right.
And show him some love. Say big up, my brother. Say go over now and tell him Nisha Yen sent you.
Happy Earth Strong, my general.
Happy Earth Strong. Craig, we love you, say, we miss you, and you are a blessing. Daytime Live will be right back. What are we talking about?
We're talking about prostate cancer with Mr. Quinton Yaird.
Hey!
Greetings, Doc. Prostate cancer.
Yes.
Hold on a little bit.
Not Doc. He's like, how dare you?
Mr. Another. He's a survivor.
A survivor.
Oh, sorry.
We got you.
You should have worked with it until we come back.
Yeah, man. We soon come.